So we had a big job, kind of a big contract, and we were always hitting capacity on throughput. We're always going over deadlines, and we were finding it very difficult to keep up with the pace. I just didn't have enough people, enough hours, enough spindle utilization to get the job knocked out. My name's Andy Martin. I'm one of the owners for the CNC Pros. We're a job shop in the truest sense. We deal with aerospace, oil, food, medical, firearms, automotive. We've got our fingers in a little bit of everything. A couple of years ago, we made an effort to start pivoting to higher volume jobs. We started looking at different automation solutions to help with that, and Connor from Selway showed us this Trinity system. It's a palletized system, so unlike some of the other automation systems where you know how to program a machine, and you also have to program the robot, we could just load it up. It's the same as we've always done. You're setting your work offsets, your tools, and just apply a program to the pallet. It's really as easy as that. After this Trinity system showed up on our floor, it only took them like 3 days to have this thing up and running. And there's really no training on it. All you have to do is make sure that whatever you're putting on the pallet will fit through the door, the robot can lift it up, it's good to go. It's just so easy to use. What we found where this thing really shines is on high mix, low volume, because we can have different work holding solutions on multiple pallets. We can have some pallets set up so that during the night we can be running automation, and then during the day we're running the one-off parts or the really small quantities where you really need a machinist parked in front of it, and we're just able to increase our throughput drastically. On the production runs, what would normally take us 7 days to run, we can run in about 2 days. It really just elevates the whole shop into a different way of thinking, and instead of replacing a job, it shifts the operator's job description to something new. It gives them a little bit more upward mobility rather than just parking the person in front of a machine hitting the green button. Myself as an owner, I'm always looking at, okay, what's the throughput? How quick am I able to kick parts through? And the machine's busy the whole time. I mean, you can just see that the throughput is drastically increased, and the return on investment is a no-brainer. I highly recommend this Trinity system to anybody. I'm all in on automation now.